Paris, wear your mask now.
No, I want it.
You don't want it, but the police will catch you.
They catch Paris.
Yeah. The police will say, we're gonna catch Paris because she's not wearing mask.
No, Mommy, I want it.
You don't want it, but you have to wear it.
No, I want it.
Shush, no one.
Get out.
What if, anak, what if the police will come and catch you?
They catch Paris.
Catch Paris ka karon. Is it okay with you if they catch you? Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to our channel. Na-miss nyo ba ang aking gubot na buhok? Yes guys, I need to wash it again. Anyways, kakatapos ko lang mag-work. And tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl. Ay la, nakalabas na yun. Anak! Ingon ko ba nga, dili ka mo gawas. Come back. Paris, ikaw? Ma-outside ka karon. Balik diri. Come back. We'll change the nappy ba and then we can go to the shop. Come on.
No. I did that.
Uy! Pangita gid niya yung daddy guys. Yung daddy niya kasi may kausap sa phone. Somewhere. Gusto din niyang lumabas. Anak, mag-change at tagnapi, nak.
No, I want it. Let's take it.
Huh?
Inside.
Do you wanna go outside? We'll go outside lagi after we change the nappy. Come on. Anak. Alina, can I truck? Come on. Paris, go. Alina, truck. The truck's coming. Quick! Hala, kasi naririnig niya kasi yung boses ng tatay niya. Go. Asan man yung tatay mo?
I want it.
I want it. Can you check the mailbox quickly na? Quick, pas! Pas dayon, lingo-lingo ka karon. Ano kasi yung tatay niya, oh.
Daddy.
Yes, that's daddy. Quick, check the mailbox. Check the mailbox.
Happy Daddy.
Here.
It's ours.
Ala, naalagi nakbi. I know what it is. Wait, it's not daddy's, it's mommy's. Oh, tanawa, oh, Jovi Esin.
No.
It's mama. What's daddy's name, man?
Yes, Daddy.
Daddy's name is Mike. And that's Jovi Esin, so it means that's mommy's. Open na, Bi. Para makita ni Mansulo. Do you know how to open it? Bi, open me.
No.
Help, mama. Alam nyo guys, tingnan nyo, oh. Sa akin to siya kasi alam ko, ang aming manager, ang aming boss talaga, like general manager sa Sydney, siya yung nagpadala sa akin ito. Kasi nga, diba, medyo matagal-tagal pa na kailangan naming maggamit ng mask. Ngayon, yung mask na gamit ko, yung palagi nyo nakikita, yung medical grade na mask. Tapos, mauubos na siya ba? Tapos, tinanong niya ako, sabi niya, are you okay, Jovi? Ang bait-bait talaga ng mga boss ko, guys. Like, seriously, I'm very lucky sa trabaho ko. Kasi, they think that I'm their family and all. Super sweet talaga nila. Tapos sabi ng general manager namin, yung siya talaga yung manager ng all around Australia. Sabi niya kasi yung asawa niya daw, mahilig daw magtahi-tahi and gumagawa daw ng mask yung asawa niya. So yung ginawa niya guys, pinadalhan nila ako tapos in-express pa nila guys. Ayan, para mabilis siyang dumating. Pinadalhan niya kami ng mask. Hala, uy, so sweet naman nila, uy. Hala, 4 pa yung pinadala. Tingnan niyo, uy. 1, tingnan nyo. Sabi ko, 2 lang kasi tag-isa kami ni Mike ba. 2. Hala, super cute. 3. Para siguro kay Paris to ba? Kay medyo maliit yung isa. And then 4. Wow, thank you talaga. Hindi man nila tumapanood. Uy, kay English man sila. hindi nila masabtan kay English man sila. But I'm so thankful talaga guys. Oh my God. So, hindi ko na kailangan na magbili pa ng mask kasi meron na ako ng ganito. And hopefully naman talaga na after 19th ba o 13th ng September ay okay na at hindi na kailangan magamit ng mask. But at least meron kaming washable. Honey, have a look. We got mask. Quick. Yeah. Super excited. Wow, Yusubi.
Daddy!
Daddy's on the phone lagi, anak. Come, B. Which one? This one? Oh, use this one. Oh.
No, it's mine.
Daddy.
For Paris?
That's for Paris. That's Paris, nak. Oh, that's yours because it's very cute.
Is this for Paris?
Yeah, put it on.
This is for Paris? With Daddy.
Is that Daddy's? Where's Mommy's?
Oh!
Oh.
Daddy!
Ala, sobrang dami ka ng kanilang tela ba? Oh,
Daddy.
that's Daddy's, anak. Yes. Hala, type ko to, guys. Oh.
Mommy?
Super kasya talaga ba? Hindi na kailangan i-adjust dito.
No, no, no.
Hala, sa akin talaga to na ano. Pero ang aking glasses ay nagfafag. Hala, I like it talaga, oy. Pasalamat ko sa ila ba? Sa akong boss. So, may mga nagtatanong pala minsan, guys, kung bakit hindi daw nagsusuot si Paris ng mask. So, dito kasi sa ano, guys, dito sa Australia, meron kasing law na para exemption yung mga kids. Kasi yung mga bata kasi, guys, hindi mo talaga sila mapupush na maglagay ng mask, diba? So, 12 years old, infant to 12 years old, okay lang, hindi sila labag sa batas na hindi sila magsuot ng mask. Pero, of course naman, as much as possible, gusto namin magsuot ng mask, diba? Kasi hindi sila exception din sa virus. Kasi even though hindi talaga vulnerable yung mga kids for virus, still, there's a chance na, alam niyo yung magka-virus. Kaya, nilalagyan namin si Paris, guys. Minsan ayaw niya talaga. So, hindi siya nagmamask. Umaalis na siya, oh. Nak, where's the other one, na? Mag-grocery shopping pala kami, guys. Kaya si Paris ay nagdala na ng kanyang plastic bag. Anak, wait for mama. Diba, all the time, sinasabi ko na nakakalimutan namin yung plastic bag namin. And ayan, pinakuha ko yung Paris. Dalawa yung pinakuha ko. Isa lang kanyang binitbit. Ayun, oh. Wait for mama, anak. Wait for mama. Ayan, so kaming dalawa lang yung pupuntaan. Oh, so just an update, guys, sa ating bulaklak. Yung iba ay nalalanta na, ayan. Pero yung iba, very bukadkad pa. I told you to bring another one. Yeah. There you go. Exchange, Jay? Okay. Say bye-bye, Daddy. We're going to the shops. Yung tatay niya ay may kausap pa rin.
Daddy!
Say bye-bye. Go in the car.
Yes, go in the car.
It's just tingnan yung pagkalagay niya ng plastic bag sa kanyang kamay.
Where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy? Daddy's not coming now. It's just the two of us.
They're ready.
Yeah. Wave bye-bye.
It's the eagle.
Is it a birdie?
Yes.
Where's the eagle?
That is it. I don't know.
You don't know? Where did it go? Can you sing, Nak? Maya-maya nga nung nalipay ka, nalipay ko kay ting-ani na. Ah, flying eagle. Wala ka kasabot, Nak?
No. Oh.
Whoa! You okay? Careful sa imong plastic bag, Nak. Come na.
No.
Uy.
I'm Daddy.
I didn't want it kakaron. Sobrang kanta niya ba? Feel na feel niya talaga ang kanyang kanta. Ha? Ano? Nandito na tayo, guys. Ang ating baby girl ay ayaw niyang magmask. Paris, wear your mask na?
No, I want it.
You don't want it? But the police will catch you.
The catch Paris.
Yeah. The police will say, we're gonna catch Paris because she's not wearing mask.
No, Mommy, I want it.
You don't want it, but you have to wear it.
No, I want it.
Shush, no
Press
one.
it. Get out.
What if Anak, what if the police will come and catch you?
They catch parrots.
Catch Paris ka karon. Is it okay with you if they catch you?
The one and the police.
The police, sabi niya kanina guys, well, police,
Mommy,
come catch me.
Out! Get out!
Get out kay Paris naughty daw. Is Paris naughty? Is Paris naughty?
No.
Then why aren't you wearing your mask?
Nip off.
You wear your mask, okay?
No.
Go ba?
I want to Paris.
It's for Paris. Can you please wear this?
Put. And on Paris. Take off.
Take off. You don't want it on? Nagladak. Punti ka sa police. Careful. Uy! Hold mama.
No.
Uy! Hold baka na ay sakyanan. Big girl naman kaya ka na ka eh. Wait a minute. There's the car. The doggy. Hi, doggy.
Let's go in the shop.
Yeah, we're going to the shop. Go, let's go. You just get the whole meal. There you go. Put it in the bag. In the basket. Careful, don't drop it. Hi, Paris. Mama said don't drop it now. Let's go. You have to find the rice. Rice? Come on. Have a look at it, guys. Oh, may nakuha na siyang isa. Oh, go. Find some apple. Apple. Where's the apple? Where's the apple? That's the apple. Get the pink lady now. Here, this one. How many? One more?
One?
Yes. Thank you very much. Paris. Are you sure?
Yes.
Eh, bantay bitog di mo kaunon. Pag yes ka ron, Paris, come back here. We need the pink one.
Oh. Yes?
Ay, gamay kayo kani ba? Huy, kani oh. Can you carry it? Be? Kusigan ba Paris, be?
Oh, that. Hard.
Hard, is it? This one.
Oh, it's hard.
It's hard.
Big. The big.
Ang mahal-mahal ng rice na to, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. $20 for 5 kilos. Ito na lang kayo yung bilhin ko, guys. Oh, kasi 12.50 lang siya, guys.
the back. For the back.
Hi, guys! Nakauwi na kami ng bahay. It's now 6:40 ng gabi. And you know what, guys? Paris was so cute sa shop kasi nag-self-service kami. And siya talaga yung nagtunol-tunol sa akin ba ng mga pinamili namin. She's so cute. Kunti lang yung binili ko, guys, kasi ako lang at saka si Paris and nabibigatan ako. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo quickly yung mga napamili ko. Hindi na siguro natin lahatin, guys. Uy! Kasi, maboard kayo ba? Anyways, the main talaga na binili ko doon, guys, is yung rice. Asan ba yung rice natin? So, ito yung binili ko na rice, guys. Remember kanina may pinakita ako na pink yung plastic bag? Ano yun siya? Tawag doon. Sunrise yata? Yeah, na jasmine rice. And for 5 kilos, guys, that was $20. And so, ito siya, guys. It is the Thai jasmine rice. And it was only for $12.50. So, see the difference, guys? May $7.50 na diferensya. And, the same lang sila, 5 kilo. Pero siguro nga, mas masarap siguro yung isa, no? Kasi mas mahal. But, you know what? This is okay with me. Rice is rice for me. So, yan yung binili ko. And it's better na rin na ako yung bumili. Kasi, alam nyo, guys, it's funny, right? So, Mike and I, we are two different type of shoppers. So, kasi ako, pag nagsha-shopping ako, binibili ko yung bulk. So, for example, bili ako ng, yung sabong panlaba. So, yung bibilhin ko, 5 kilos na detergent powder. Pero si Mike, yung bibilhin niya is yung 1 kilo na detergent powder. And also, sa mga sauce, yung mga ganun, yung binibili ni Mike talaga is yung pinakamaliit. Pero ako, yung binibili ko is yung pinakamalaki. So, iba talaga kami kung mag-shopping kami, guys. Hindi naman siguro sa Kuripot, no? Hindi naman siguro sa Kuripot si Mike. But then, I think it's more on the style lang sa pag-shop. Kasi, ako kasi, personally, ayokong balik-balik sa shop kasi maliit yung binili ko, balik na naman, ganun. Because I hate doing it. Like, I seriously don't like going to grocery shops. Kaya gusto kong bumili ng in bulk talaga para hindi ako pabalik-balik. Pero si Daddy Mike, guys, is different. Kayo, guys, let me know sa comment section below kung anong klaseng shopper kayo. Kung if you are like me na mahilig talaga magbili ng pang bulk talaga or katulad kay Daddy Mike na yung pakonti-konti lang yung binibili. I'd be really interested to know, guys. So let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, nandito yung aking receipt. And it says here that I paid $70.60 sa lahat ng mga nabili ko, guys. Ayan. But nakasabi dito, total savings of $12.38. Ilalagay ko lang to sila sa pantry, guys, para makapagluto na tayo ng dinner. I will see you guys again very soon. What is it, Nak? It's broken, is it? Try to write down your name, babe. Do you know how to write your name? Paris. How do you spell your name? P A. Tingnan nyo, guys. O, ganyan na talaga yan siya maghawak ng ballpen ba? Kahit nung baby pa talaga siya. O. Where's Mama's bed? Is this Mama's bed?
This is your bed.
That one? Where's Daddy's bed?
It's my bed.
That's your bed there.
Mommy's bed.
Huh?
My bed.
This is Mama and Daddy's bed.
I have food.
Where's your bed? Last night, guys, tinanong namin siya kung kaninong bed to. Sabi niya, kay Paris daw to at sa kanyang daddy. Tapos, yung aking bed daw ay doon sa kanyang bed.
Put your Paris up?
Yes. Draw Paris. What would you like? A star? Okay, we'll draw a star.
Put it on the arm.
Star? Wow, there you go.
Heart?
A heart as well? Okay.
What?
That's it. Enough. Enough tattoo. This one. What would you like here?
A star.
A star as well. Okay. There you go.
Daddy.
Daddy namin ay nanghugas ng plato. So, Daddy, come quick.
Who's that?
The star.
Is that the bed?
Tattoo.
Papa! You got a star on your arm? Where did you get that?
Dito na tayo sa room, guys, kasi malapit nang mag 9 o'clock and nire-ready ko lang yung susuotin ni Paris for bed. So, andito na yung pang bed niya and also nire-ready ko na rin yung susuotin niya bukas for childcare kasi may childcare siya bukas. Ayan na. Baby girl! Toothbrush na li.
No.
No? Bahala ka. I'll call the police. Call the police. Hala, hindi na siya natatakot sa police ba? Kanina, sinabihan ko siya. Sabi ko, mag-mask ka kasi may police. Tapos sabi niya, police, catch Paris. Paris is naughty. Siya din yung nagsabi na Paris is naughty. Are you naughty? Yes.
Yes?
Are you naughty?
Yes.
Hala, yes. Let's go to the bathroom na ta.
The brush your teeth.
Let's go to the bathroom. We will brush our teeth. Wanna say hi sa tita, babe?
Hi, Tita.
Hi.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth because my teeth is yellow. Show your teeth, babe.
It's green.
Green, is it? Say, how are you, tita, tito?
Green one, green one.
Green worm, green worm. Say, hi, how are you?
Hi, you.
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm going to school tomorrow. Are you going to school tomorrow, Nak?
This is mine. And then mine no more.
What's the name of your teacher, Nakbe?
Dito?
Hito?
Tawa
Sarah Jane? Who else?
Dito?
Who's the other one?
Hello.
No, it was Cara. Caroline, that's right. The other one.
Tito.
Nah. Favorite ni mo sa hital na?
Tito.
The other one.
Mama.
Fatma, that's right. And that's the other one, the guy.
Bye.
This.
This.
That's right. And Sue.
You. No.
Junak. That's your tito. Taka ramang kasula.
Sura.
That's right. That's your teacher. What's tito's name?
Dudun.
Dudung. The other one. Baby, ayo pagsulod ya kay hugaw ang kamot.
No, Mama. Tito.
No more tito. Okay.
Alan.
Huh? The other one tito.
No, Mama.
No more? No more? No, 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 no. No more tito na? Say Ju.
Chu. Nak.
Nak.
Jonak.
Junak. That's right. That's your tito. Come on, go to the bathroom na ka.
Oh.
Go, you can brush your teeth. Hugasan ko muna to siya, guys. Hi guys! It's 9 o'clock na and tingnan nyo, nakahilamos na si ate nyo and nag-moisturizer and all. Ayan, so ready for bed. Ayan ang ating baby girl, oh. I'm going to end the vlog here now, guys. Maraming salamat as always sa panonood nyo ng ating video at sana na-enjoy yung mga videos natin. Welcome nga pala sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pag-consider na mag-subscribe sa ating channel and I really hope na na-enjoy yung mga videos natin. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out and the first shout out goes to Lisan Bansil from Lubao, Pampanga. Shout out to Victoria's Secret VCM Live TV, Marilyn De Jesus from Kapas Tarlac. Shout out to Ethel Joy Kuripot. Shout out to Felina Rodriguez and also Family Rodriguez. Shout out to Lixron Jem, Everts Suta 53, Rona Del Rio, Rose Lumeran. Shout out to Arlene Hoover from Virginia, USA. Shout out to Rosemary La Rosa, Rosalinda Cumba from San Juan City, Metro Manila. Shout out to Mary Grace Vida, Arlene Undag Leonor, Gladys Mandanhuyan, Daya Magallanes, Rosana Mansueto. Shout out to Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan. Shout out to Amethyst Drake.
Mommy, please falling down.
What's that?
Please fall down.
That is Mama's paperwork. Put it back na ka, please.
No, mine.
Shout out to Amethyst Drake, Nanita Espirito, Richel Mandao, Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. Shout out to Anita Valdez, Lina De Los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Elsie Maglangit, Mary Ann Esen, Rose in Philippines, Mary Jane Alcantara, Rosana Hidalgo. Shout out to Erica Peralta, Luz Nicor. Shout out to Kusha Basham, Fe Guarnes, Joanne Ambe, Pretty Me Angel, Elsa Mapago, Alisa Marie, Me ASMR, Mary Ann De Guzman, Ritz Escape. Shout out Sweetie Snowy, Annalyn Beliano, Adelina James, Virginia Manaloto, Amy and Anthony, hello Dai. Shout out to Carino family, Rose Padilla, Ruth Adlawan, Rinar May Ricohuerta, Lori Lee Absede, Patricia Mondoyo, Lurami Villanueva, Brennan family, Rosemary Romoir, Marilyn De Jesus, Tess Arellano, Annabelle Sarino, Simply Reed, Mylene Care, Zeli Umba, Rookie Trufil.
Mommy.
Shout out to Maggie Karaig, Sosing Sales, Emma Turing, and Mavel Fernandez. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye. Mwah.